Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today we're cooking 5 racks of baby back ribs on the Yoder Smoker's pellet grill. Now, one of the things I love about the Yoder Smoker's pellet grills is that you can totally set it and forget it. I came in early this morning to get these ribs to the point where they're at right now, where we're ready to sauce them already. And I didn't have to worry about it. It just stays where it's supposed to be. And if I am worried about it, I can just open up the app and check out both the pit temperature and the meat temperature. Now, we'll get back there just to sauce them here in a minute, but let's just check out the raw ribs first. All right, so baby back ribs. These are the meaty ones. These are the ones that come off the loin. On the back side, you've got a membrane. If you want to, you can take it off. If you don't, who cares? You're not going to eat the backside of the ribs anyway. But I have a long-standing relationship with taking the membrane off the back, so I'm going to do it. I'm seasoning these today with Plowboys Yardbird. Now, this is like my ultimate go-to, all reasons, all seasons barbecue rub. It's got the chilies in it. It's got the salt, it's got a little bit of sugar, but it's not too sweet. So we're gonna get that on the back side first, just kind of press it in so it sticks, and then flip it and get the other side. If you wanna use a binder, go for it. Mustard's always a great option, and we've got lots of great mustards at atbbq.com. Not necessarily a necessity, but it can add a little bit of flavor and help it stick a little bit quicker. Another thing I love about these Yoders is this 3-tier shelf. So we could fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 easily on this grill at the same time, which is great when you're doing big events. What we're gonna do now, you can see like this beautiful bark that's been formed, right? You can see that the bones are pulling back. It's temping at over 200 degrees, so it's almost done. So we're just gonna add some Firebug Mild grilling sauce. This is one of my favorite barbecue sauces, and brush it into it and kind of let it set up. I'm not a big sauce guy, so don't go too heavy, but I always say put on just enough just to finish it, and then serve some more on the side for the folks that like more. Let's put the raw ones on. You'll be able to see here how the bones look right now as they go on raw. Hold on, let me pull this glove off real quick. And then you can see on the finished one how those bones are now popping out. And that's what we're talking about, just to elaborate on that. These are gonna be able to twist a little bit when they're fully done. That meat temperature is going to be over 200, but more importantly, you want to look for that finish where the bones are popping out and they can move around a little bit. So in 4.5 hours at 275, we've got ribs that are done on the bottom. The top ones haven't got all the way there yet, but I want you to notice the difference between the color of this bottom one and this one that we just now glazed. This sauce has had about 10 extra minutes to set up, and you can see the difference, the depth of it. But the cool thing about smoking these dry all the way through is you keep all that bark even when you put sauce on top of them. Now, I've wrapped a lot of ribs in my days. I like them juicy, but I also can appreciate some good bark, and this one is looking pretty perfect, so it's coming off. Best way to slice these is either from the top down so you can look at the bone structure, or just flip them over on their back so you can see where those separations are. Oh yeah, nice and juicy. Let's get a taste. Clean bite, not stripped off the bone, not tough at all. That's kind of my goal when I go to ribs. For me, ribs is like, out of the big 4 things that you would smoke, pork butt, chicken, ribs, and brisket. Ribs is like the third toughest to get just right. And the only way to do that is to do it over and over and over again until you figure it out. Pork butt, super forgiving. Chicken, you can temp it, pretty easy. Brisket, you gotta feel it. But with any of these things, it's just time and repetition. Now this is a really straightforward barbecue rib. Barbecue rub, barbecue sauce, smoke. Easy, right? Do it over and over again. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, if there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.